Today on Designing Spaces, we're taking lawn care to new heights with robotic technology that will save you lots of time and keep your garden in great shape. Every yard could use a pool. We've got a great option that'll have you jumping into summer. And when it's time to move, go with a trusted company that'll get your things there quickly. Plus, tips from the experts at Frontdoor. Time to design. Meet the Pinto family.
My name is Tatiana.
My name is Anderson.
We have 4 kids. We live in South Florida. We love to be outside, spend time outside.
It's a very big property. Because my kids playing soccer, we decided to purchase a home that had enough land that I could build a soccer field, a small soccer field, so they could play. But it comes with a lot of challenges. It's very hard to try to maintain because it's such a big piece of property. I went over to a friend's house, and we're talking, and suddenly I look outside and I see this robotic lawnmower running. And I'm like, is that thing cutting your grass? And he goes, yeah. I'm like, are you kidding me? So I thought that was very, very interesting.
The robotic lawnmower piqued Anderson's interest so much that he reached out to Adam Rechtenwald from Gardena, and now Adam is on his way to help get them set up with their brand new Sileno Flex robotic mower.
So here we have the new Sileno Flex lawnmower. And let me ask you, how many times are you cutting the grass in a week right now?
Usually it's every 2 weeks, but in the summertime, because of all the rain, the grass grows faster. Then we have to go back to about every week. So that's an average, depending throughout the year.
Well, the interesting thing about robotic mowers is they cut a little bit differently than you might be used to. So rather than cutting once a week or every 2 weeks, the robotic mower actually cuts the lawn every day. So you always have a very well cut, very manicured lawn because of the fact that it's doing these daily cuts. Wow. And I think especially here on the soccer field where the kids are playing, that's gonna be great. You're never gonna have these days where the grass is a little long. And this particular mower was actually designed specifically for all types of grass here in North America. And what that means is there's a very versatile cutting height. So if you'd like to keep the soccer field kept a little bit shorter in terms of the grass, you can lower those blades further down. Or if you want the grass to be a little bit longer, maybe it's real sunny or dry outside and you want to keep the grass long to protect it from the sun, you can raise that up very easily just with a turn of a knob here on the top of the mower.
Oh, wow. So that knob I turn, I can regulate the height.
Yes, so very straightforward controls. And what we've done is we've actually already established the mower boundary by putting a wire around the cutting area, and that's going to operate very similarly to an electric dog fence. It tells the mower where it should be cutting and where it shouldn't be cutting, just to make sure that it doesn't go somewhere it's not supposed to.
So what happens when I have, let's say, a sprinkler head?
In the case of a sprinkler head or any other fixed obstacles that you might have in your yard, we actually did run, in a place right over here, what we call an island around that sprinkler head. And just like the edges of the boundary, that island lets the mower know not to collide with the sprinkler head.
This thing is beautiful.
Oh, thank you very much.
Whoever designed it, congrats.
It's compared to our previous models, it's got a bigger motor, bigger wheels. It's gonna take care of this yard for you very well.
Perfect.
There's also a second wire called the guide wire that cuts up through the middle of the mowing area. And when the mower is running low on battery, as soon as it crosses that guide wire, it follows the guide wire all the way back to the charging station. So you're never gonna need to worry about going out, picking up your mower, plugging in your mower. All that happens automatically. And if you'd like, we can head over to the charging base, get the mower paired up with the app, and start programming your mowing schedule.
Sounds great.
Let's go.
Do it.
So we've installed the base here in the corner of the lawn. And if you want to get out your phone, we can go ahead and get the scheduling system set up. Excellent. So we've already paired the mower with the Bluetooth app. And now what we can do is we can walk through the scheduling system just so that you can make sure you know what time of day the mower is going to cut the grass. So right now it is mowing 6 days per week, and it is mowing approximately just under 8 hours per day. So it's going to go out, it's going to cut, it's going to come back, it's going to recharge, and it's going to do that multiple times throughout the day. And in any given 24-hour period, the mower should cut just about every bit of grass.
Great. There he goes.
There you go.
How about we go inside, have a drink, and watch it do all the work for me?
Sounds great. Let's go.
Let's go. Well, Adam, cheers to Gardena for making my life much easier.
Well, thank you very much for the opportunity to come out and install a mower. It's nice to be able to sit back and relax while the grass gets cut.
I love it.
Are you looking to beautify your lawn effortlessly and spend more time enjoying it? Visit us.gardena.com and learn more about their state-of-the-art Gardena Sileno Flex robotic mower. With summer in full swing, it's the perfect time to cover pool safety and remind everyone about the importance of staying vigilant, especially when it comes to children playing in and around pools. That's why we've turned to the experts at Intex, a brand dedicated to bringing affordable, high-quality, and safe above-ground pools to backyards everywhere.
Our above-ground pool packaging devotes an entire panel to pool safety, which we call our pool rules. A list of safety standards for above-ground pools include watch the kids, secure the pool, learn to swim, learn life-saving techniques, and avoid the drain. These are based on the National Drowning Prevention Alliance's 5 layers of protection.
The most important tip I can give you is to watch the kids. The NDPA says the child can drown in as little as 30 seconds. So adult supervision is needed, and they need to follow the 3 C's, which is close, constant, and capable. It's very important that everyone that uses your pool knows how to swim and has basic water skills.
They work closely with the National Drowning Prevention Alliance to promote safe swimming practices, highlighting that pool safety starts with supervision and attention to detail. Intex shares the passion the NDPA has for preventing drownings as families, especially children, enjoy pool time. Their messaging and the quality of their products reflect this.
When the pool's not in use, you want to keep people, especially kids, out. Our above-ground pool packaging has more information about the barriers to use around your pool and what alarms to use to let you know when kids get out of the house and in the pool area. It is important to avoid the drain because the suction is very strong and can hold you underwater. All of these are crucial to pool safety, but having eyes on the kids at all times is most important. The right setup is critical to the safe use of your above-ground pool. That means having a level area, away from trees and power lines, with at least 4 feet of clearance from anything a child can use to get into the pool. Follow the instructions closely, double check your work to make sure posts are locked and secure. Make sure the pool ladder is secure in place, the feet should be planted on solid level ground, and the rungs and feet should be slip resistant with treading. Always remove the ladder when the pool is not in use.
Durability has been a huge part of our success. People know that our pools have a great build. They love the ease of our setups. Most of our pools can be set up in 45 minutes or less. And the best part, no tools needed.
The pools look great. The Ultra XTR's gray liner and exterior really looks good against the blue mosaic interior.
Intex has hundreds of pool floats and toys to maximize everyone's fun in the pool. Tubes, floats, rings, lounges, mats, and more, with a colorful variety of designs.
All of our frame pools that come with pool ladders are easy to remove from the pool when not in use. People using your above ground pool should know how to swim, but in case they don't, we do have floaties to help them get started, such as our armbands that are designed for 3 to 6 years old to help gain confidence in the water, with your supervision, of course.
Our products are meant to get a child comfortable with water. They do not prevent drowning, and they're not an excuse for you to keep your eyes off your children.
So, if you're looking to make the most out of your backyard pool this summer, remember, pool safety is more than just a rule, it's a priority. With partners like Intex, we can make pools safer and more enjoyable for everyone.
Pools carry a large volume of water, and under the wrong conditions, they can be dangerous to people and property.
All of our frame pools, including our metal frame, prism frame, and XCR frame pools, are reinforced to what we call our super tough standard. All our pools are reinforced with strong steel. Our XCR frame pool that you see here today is reinforced with galvanized steel and powder coated inside and out to prevent rust. The pool's liner is laminated PVC material with 3-ply thickness for enhanced strength and puncture resistance.
We're all about variety and value. we're also about bringing people together.
Toys and floats do so much more than just add fun to the pool experience. They help kids develop healthy habits around the water, and the right accessories can be both fun and safe. Pool safety is about creating a space where families can relax and play without worry. For more information, check out intexcorp.com or our website, designingspaces.tv. The average American moves almost 12 times in their lifetime. That means that nearly a dozen times you can be subject to the stress of moving, the headache of packing up your fragile possessions, the back-breaking work of carrying boxes, and so much more. But a move doesn't have to mean stress.
We're Rita and Frank, and we recently made a decision to move, which was exciting but also overwhelming. So we knew that we needed some help as we prepared for this move. The most important thing for us was trust and feeling secure with the choice we made. It's a vulnerable feeling when you're moving to entrust all of your belongings to any one organization. So trust was a huge factor for us.
Luckily for Rita and Frank, the team at Allied Van Lines will bring their expertise and professionalism to help make this move successful.
Well, we're excited for your move. What are your main concerns exactly for how would you like us to help with your move?
Well, thank you for asking that, Jeff. We've actually moved quite a few times in the past, so we know how stressful this can be. And we're both very busy professionally, so we need to make this as easy as we can.
Yeah, so what we'll do is we normally, when we do the packing, it depends how much you have, but we normally will just pack the day before loading. And then on loading day, then the driver will come in, he'll inventory all the rest of the things, all your furniture, any other belongings that are gonna move with us. We'll inventory all your furniture and actually use these move labels here. So these will actually go on every item that we take.
That sounds like exactly what we need, but I think we had some concerns about our crystal and our china.
Yeah, crystal, china, some wine glasses, some art paintings. What do you guys do with that?
Okay, perfect. Yeah, so anything that's of high value, like those things might be considered. Well, we're gonna use newsprint paper, obviously, and then we put those into, anything fragile, we put them into dish packs, which are a double-walled cardboard. It's more sturdy. And then that's what we use for the fragile or high-value articles. And then there's actually a list of things if you happen to have anything that might be of high value. This is a separate form that we use for that. And what we'll just need to do, the next step is we'll just need to go room by room and then show me everything that you'd like to take. And then also try to kind of keep in mind, now is the time to eliminate the things that you don't need or haven't used in a long time, instead of having to do that at the other end.
Okay, great. Which room would you like to start in?
Start in the living room.
Okay, great.
Whether you're moving across the county or across the country, Allied Van Lines and their partners have over 95 years of experience providing moving services to those in need within the United States and Canada.
Through our network of agents, we do a lot of moves that are local, down the block, around the corner. We also do moves within a state and then also interstate, so moving across state lines. That's our main line. It's where most of our activity is. And then in addition to that, our agents through Allied can also support international moves. Allied is known as the careful movers, and we're careful because we're attentive to the customer's requirements and their needs. We understand what's important to them, and we work to meet those expectations to provide a successful move for them.
And so the move begins. More than 100 boxes and a truck full of precious family trinkets and comfy yet bulky furniture. Rita and Frank have settled into their forever home.
In earlier years, had moved ourselves. We know the amount of stress that goes into a self-move. And for us, in our busy lives, there was just no question that we needed the help from a professional moving company. Allied did an exceptional job for us.
So it was comforting to know that everything was being taken care of. And I really liked the open line of communications that we had with both the driver and the agent that helped us move.
Plan ahead as far as you can, reach out if you're looking at trying to hire a moving company. Get out in front of them as soon as you can. As soon as you know you're moving, the more notice, the better. And this is so much involved with the moving process. There's so many things that you have to do, and time just gets away from you. And it's best to just, as soon as you know that you're moving, reach out to a moving company, have them provided with free move estimates, and then they'll be happy to help and give you an idea what it's going to cost and so forth.
Full Service Mover is going to give you peace of mind. We're not going away. We'll be there if things need attention. You're going to find with a professional mover that they're part of your community. They're involved and immersed in your community. They understand the needs of folks that are moving. And most importantly though, we're the company that you know when you're doing business. It's really important to understand who you're doing business with in this space.
If you're planning your next move and need help from the experts, visit their website, allied.com, or ours, designingspaces.tv, for more information. The following is brought to you by Frontdoor, the one-stop home repair and maintenance app. Download for free today.
Proactive HVAC maintenance can help you avoid discomfort and inconvenience of a malfunctioning system when you need it most. Here are a few tips. Clear surroundings around the HVAC system at least 2 feet around the unit to improve airflow. If the unit is not fixed to the ground, check that the system is level. Oil within an unbalanced unit cannot reach all parts, causing friction and damage over time. Confirm you have disconnected electricity to the device and check for signs of wear, corrosion, and loose wires. Check and adjust the thermostat by turning it on and observing startup. Replace dead thermostat batteries. Clean the coils with water from a garden hose, working from the top down.
Need help? Download the Frontdoor app today and get 1 free video chat with a home repair expert. For more information on anything you've seen on today's show, or to be a part of the show, go to our website, designingspaces.tv.